Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making Oven Steamed Miso Salmon.
Peel the carrots and cut into small julienne. Do the same with the cabbage. Let's make the sauce. Take 2 teaspoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, and 4 teaspoons of white miso, and mix it all together. Pat dry the salmon and season with some salt and pepper. With aluminum foil, make a bed with the cabbage and carrots, lay the salmon on top, cover with the sauce evenly, and add the butter on top of the salmon. Close it. Steam cook in an oven at 230 degrees for 30 minutes. It works great even in a toaster oven.
And here it is. I hope you enjoy your meal as much as I am going to. See you next week.